Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a speed tweak for your Evo, but it's not just for the Evo, it's for any phone, so any Android phone, it'll work for it. So first, it should speed up your 3G, 4G, and Wi-Fi, so all of your networks, it'll speed them up. The tweak actually works. So I'm going to show you a speed test right now. And I'll just run this while I'm talking. So this speed test will just show me how much speed I get right now. I'm gonna change it to megabytes per second. It's just easier to read that way. And then I'll have to restart the test, I think. No, it already went in megabytes per second. But you can see that's kind of slow, 0.44 megabytes per second. And this is on 3G. I got 1 bar here. So this is what I'm getting right now before I've done the tweak. And let this finish. So upload was 0.45 megabytes and this is 0.44. I'll restart it because I changed it in the middle. I just want to get a correct score here. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's going to get any higher. But so this is my speed test. You can get it on the market. Speed test, just search for that. And it'll just test your speed here. So it'll show you how much speed you're actually getting. And I got a slower speed than the first time. So I'll let this finish here. Yeah, this is definitely going to be a lot slower. So you can see I'm getting pretty bad speeds here. It's going kind of slow. Not kind of, it's going pretty slow here. So 0.38 megabytes per second. Alright, so first of all, what you guys got to do is get ES File Explorer, or you can get Root Explorer if you have that. ES File Explorer is free on the market. You have to be rooted to do this. If you're not rooted, then watch my video on how to root the Evo and other HTC phones, or watch another video on how to root your phone, and then come back and watch this video. But you can just get ES File Manager. That's the one that I'm going to be using in the video. It's free on the market, that's why I use it, and it has the root thing that we need to use. So first, once you open the app, excuse me guys, once you open the app, you can go into settings here, go down, and you gotta click Root Explorer. So you have to do these, you have to do this before you start. Click yes. So it'll give you super user permissions, and you must click allow. And there you go. And also, don't disallow that. I hit that by accident. Okay. And now mount the system. Wait for this message to go away. Mount file system. So make sure to do that also. So make sure these two are checked. You don't have to check that one, but alright. So now that we've done that, now you guys have to go to my website. There'll be a link to there'll be a link in my website below in the description. Go to my website. There'll be a new post about this video, so you can actually download this. Where is it? It is dataspeed/boost.mem signed zip. So if you are running a Sense ROM or a Gingerbread ROM, then you can just flash this zip that comes with it, right? So you can download it, like go to my website, read the post, and then go to the link, and then download this dataspeed.mem zip and just flash that. If you're running those two. The only reason I'm going to go like this longer way is because people have reported that if you're using an ice cream sandwich ROM, CM9 is an ice cream sandwich ROM. If you're using an Android 4.0 ROM, then you have to use the method that I'm going to be using in the video. It's just to make sure that it actually sticks, because for CM9 and other ice cream sandwich ROMs, when you actually do the flashing of the zip, it doesn't stay. So people have reported that it doesn't stay. So you just follow these steps and you'll get it to stay. Even if you're on a Sense or a Gingerbread ROM or any other kind of ROM, then you can actually do these steps too. But what you need to do is, after you download the data speed thing, you can click on it and you'll see two files in it, system.ext, and then you can see a system or sysctl.config. Make sure to get this file and put it on your SD card. So, like extract it on your SD card. and then you can leave this alone. This is for if you're flashing it, you know, they have like all these files. You just need to make sure to take this file right here and put it on your SD card. So you can see I've done that right here, systemstl.config, and we can just copy it right here and go up here, click favorites, backslash, and then go to system, etc, and go down, and you can see a system.stl.config is already in here. So you'll already have one, system/etc. You already have one in here. So what you have to do is, it doesn't matter what's in here. I mean, you can click on it, and you can go to HTML viewer or whatever you want to do, and you can see what's in it. You know, there's just a bunch of like different stuff in it. So, okay, I have to do that again. Backslash. Alright, so just focus camera. So there we are, system XTL, whatever that thing's called. This is the one that was already there. You click rename, and then you don't mess with the name. You just put .BAK. So just change it to a .BAK at the end of it. So make sure to put system.config or sysctl.conf.bac. So just leave everything else the same and click OK. And now that you've renamed it, it's successful. And when I accidentally had to get out of the app because I had to do it all over. So I'm just going to copy this file again that was on my SD card. Go back to favorites, go to backslash, go to system, go to etc, and then we're going to do is just paste this new file in here. So click paste. And that's it. It was copied successfully. Now we can press the home button here and reboot our phone. So just do a quick reboot of your phone. So you have to paste that file in there. So hopefully you guys followed this video. I know it's a little bit confusing. It's really not that bad. You just go to system/etc and rename the file that was already in there to just put a .BAK after it, and then put the file that was on your SD card and then paste that file into the same place. So you'll have the new file that was on your SD card into the place system/etc. So it's kind of like replacing that one file, and the only reason you rename it to a .BAK is because you want it just in case something goes wrong. That'll be like your backup file. So if something goes wrong, then you delete that first file, the file that you pasted in there. You delete it, and then you just take off the BAK from the system config thing, and there you go. You're back to whatever it was before. So basically all this tweak does, you know, like I haven't explained what it actually does. It changes some of the values in the code, so it'll just speed up your internet and stuff. And yeah, it's a flashable zip, guys, but ice cream sandwich users, like I said, use this method. And now we can go and ES File Explorer again, and we'll just check if the thing actually stayed after a boot. So if it changed, then that means that you have to do it again. So we can go backslash and system etc and go down, and you can see that there are two files, so we did it right and it stayed there, and there's a backup right there also. So don't delete that one, just keep it. It's not going to mess with anything, but you can see that this one is there. And this is all it was in there. So it just changed some values. And now I'm going to run another speed test. Let me get my internet on. Okay guys, so just connect to the internet. You can see my 3G up there. Same, I just got 1 bar. I don't know what I clicked on. I just have, oh, well, I jumped up to 2, see it dropped down, back down to 1. So I don't have a lot of signal, so it's the same exact place that I was before, and I'll run another speed test. So hopefully I can get higher scores here. Sometimes it doesn't give you higher scores, but you actually do notice a difference. You know, it actually does move faster, so yep, probably not going to get a higher score here, but just a little bit higher. But when you're actually doing like web pages and stuff, Facebook, all that kind of stuff, it's going to load faster once you do this tweak. It may not show right here that it's going to load faster, but actually try it. You'll see that it actually does work. I was a little bit skeptical at first, but then I actually tried it and I was like, wow, this thing, it does make a difference. So it'll speed up 3G, 4G, and this is an ice cream sandwich ROM, you know, so I'm not going to get the best signal out of this ROM. So that was it, guys. It's simple tweak. Make sure to follow the steps. Again, download the system.config and all those folders from my website. If this video helped you, leave a comment telling me. If you have a problem, you know, leave a comment. If you like the video, like it, favorite it. Subscribe to my channel, guys, because I'm going to have a lot more app reviews, game reviews, and ROM reviews coming, so make sure to subscribe to me. I have a lot more of these kind of videos helping you out, speeding your phone up and stuff, so make sure to subscribe to me for that. And if you have any problems, again, just leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I answer like everybody's comments, so just leave a comment. And that is it, guys. I will see you in the next video. Peace. Thanks for watching.